Hey, it's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osasera, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're on the ground today, home body workout, and we're doing leg lifts. So here I am on the floor and I have my legs straight out, and generally I like to keep my hands underneath my butt. It's just more comfortable for me that way. And as I lift up my legs, I'm making sure that I'm doing so by squeezing those lower abs and making sure that that belly button is all the way into my spine. And as I lift my legs up, I'm making sure that it doesn't go past 45 degrees. I only want to go up about halfway and then bring it down to 1 degree and then back up. As a rule of thumb, you want to empty all the air in your stomach and exhale as your legs go up, okay? So exhale on the come up. Exhale on the come up. Now, if you're having a hard time lifting your legs up comfortably, you can actually generate more force by keeping your feet together with your toes pointed in towards each other, and then lift your legs and see if that's a little bit easier for you. That's it. That is our ab exercise, the first of many coming up. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.